Determine whether the coordinate point 4, -1 is a solution to the system of equations below by graphing the equations on the coordinate plane. Now here's something that's cool. When we take these two equations and we put them in their correct form, which is y equals mx plus b, and we graph them, the point where they intersect, whatever that point is, represents the solution to the equation. So if it's, let's say it's 4, -1, then when we input 4 for the x value and -1 for the y value, they will work. That will be a correct solution. The first step, though, is we need to make sure that these equations are in the form y equals mx plus b. So first I'm going to convert this one by subtracting x from both sides. Then I'll end up with y all alone, and I'll have y equals -x plus 3, which is in the correct form. Next I have x minus y equals 5. Now the way that this will work is I'm going to again subtract x, but you'll see here I have -y equals -x plus 5. I don't want negative y, I want positive y. So I have to divide both sides by -1, which leaves me with y equals x minus 5. Now these are my two equations. Y equals -x plus 3 and y equals x minus 5. Let's graph them. Let's start here. Remember that -x is our slope. Now since there's no number in front of it, there's just a negative, we could assume that it's -1 slope because 1 times x is just x, so we don't have to write the number. And it has a y-intercept of 3. So y-intercept is 3, and the slope is -1, meaning it goes down 1 and over 1 each time. So as I continue doing that, what I end up having is a bunch of points that I could connect in a line. And that's the best of my ability there. Next, let's graph y equals x minus 5. Now again, it's just x, but this time there's no negative sign, so that means it's a +1 slope. And it looks like our y-intercept is -5. So +1 over 1, +1 over 1, so on and so forth. And it looks like we have our intersection right here at the point. We could erase a little if we need to see. It happened right here at point 4, -1, which is exactly the point they were asking about. So yes, that is the solution to the equations here. And if we were to put them in, for example, x being -4 plus, x was 4, x is 4 plus -1, well, that does equal 3. And 4 minus -1 does equal 5. So yes, that is the correct coordinate point.